Hi everybody, welcome to our webinar. Today we will present and talk about the AI agents, and we're gonna run this webinar on the cooperation with the Sweden Students and Alumni Network of Azerbaijan and also GenAition. My name is Javed. I'm from GenAition side, but I'm also gonna a little bit talk about the Sweden Students and Alumni Network of Azerbaijan, SSANA, where I'm also part of this network. And we will also talk about what is GenAition and also why we have this startup set up in Stockholm and also in Sweden, and why we have this and what we're gonna do moving forward. Yes, welcome to the AI agent webinar. An agenda today will be about, we will quickly do the introduction about SSANA and also about GenAition and what is our core mission and why we decided to arrange this webinar. And also we will give a quick introduction and understanding what is AI agents and what is the agentic AI and what is their role in our day-to-day life and how they're gonna shape our future. And also we will talk about real life use cases, and we will do a quick demo about what type of agentic AI is available today and what type of agents we can actually adopt in our life. And therefore, a warm welcome to our session. I would like to start with the quick introduction about myself, Javed Valiyev. I'm an AI data engineer and co-founder of GenAition. And I've graduated Azerbaijan Technical University in 2017, bachelor degree, industrial management. And then 2022, I've graduated master degree of business administration in Linköping University. I'm a mixed I have a little bit mixed background of business administration, economics, but in real life, I'm more like a technical guy, and I like hands-on thing, and which actually is the reason to lead me to co-found the GenAition, because I like to do the new things, and I like to try new things, and I like to learn and grow, and especially through the engineering, AI engineering and data engineering area. And looking at the current trends and also how the AI will shape our life, that's why I decided to take the path through AI and decided to co-found the GenAition. But I will talk about it in the next slide. But I would like to first talk about the Sweden Students and Alumni Network of Azerbaijan. We are the alumni organization founded on January 2020. And our core mission is to bring the people together, those especially who are from Azerbaijan, but also those who are from Sweden. And since in past 5 years, SSANA has done incredible job in terms of arranging the projects and leading initiatives and also organizing events that brought the two countries culturally and spiritually together. And the SSANA has contributed significantly, especially coordinating and cooperating on sustainability area and leading projects that touch to sustainability, and also on student activities and also leisure activities. And right now, which another milestone here is to also do something about AI, which is core reason why GenAition and Sweden Students Alumni Network Azerbaijan came together to arrange this webinar. And we just want to give the quick understanding what's AI agents and how they're going to change our life. And we also are looking forward to actually to deepen our cooperation moving forward. But when it comes to SSANA activities, we would kindly ask you to please visit our website, and our activities are regularly being updated there. And you can also feel free to follow us on Instagram, social media, on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. And let's keep connected. And I personally have been the part of several activities and I loved it. And I think it's very, very important to bring great people together and to know great people and also to actually know what's going on. And that's why as a SSANA, we're going to be the leading front runner in the future to drive things, to make an impact, to contribute to all areas of growth. Yes, who is GenAition? As said previously, my name is Javed Variyev. I founded this organization in the end of last year. And what made me to co-found this organization first is my ambition, because I like to do new things, especially through AI, because literally every day new functionality comes out. And then it led us to actually a little bit reflect to see, what's happening in the world. There are so many changes and so many new things come. But when you speak about these changes, and especially in the AI area with people, not many people really have an understanding what's going on. And that's the reason that we decided to create this organization, to actually spread the awareness of AI. Because from my understanding, AI is not going to be a standalone profession, but rather it will be like the embedded framework in our day-to-day life that we have to actually do something about it. It won't be something like that, hey, I need the AI experts to come and do something for me. I will pay money for that person or to build something for me. But rather we need to be all as an AI savvy people. That's where we are coming to picture, to give this opportunity to everybody, that to show the roadmap to everybody, that everybody can choose their own way through cooperating with us. And once they choose their own way, they just need to continue. Maybe they won't need us anymore in the future. And that's the opportunity we want to create for everybody, that everybody can have an equal chance to learn and adopt AI in their day-to-day life. And we are Stockholm-based AI evolution community. And under a very short period of time, we reached over 100 members in Meetup community. And across all social media channels, including LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, we hit over 400,000 views, actually. It was incredible. And even we got a chance to cooperate with AI Sweden, biggest AI hub in Sweden, actually. And then SUP46, biggest startup community in Sweden, and also Hyper Island. And we got to know amazing and incredible people there. And we even keen to expand our influence and cooperation orbit with the other communities and business communities and organizations. That's quickly about GenAition, and please feel free to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and also in our website, GenAition.io. And we are confident that if you follow us, you will stay ahead. At least you will see what's going on in AI. And you can also see here some pictures from our previous webinars and workshops. And we actually so far arranged 2 AI hands-on workshops, full house. And also we arranged a networking event. And we actually got very strong feedback. As of now on Meetup platform, our basically feedback rating is 5-star. All attendees so far attended gave us 5-star, actually. And we even got the direct feedback from some of our participants in LinkedIn. And also through Google feedback forms. We are very happy about it, actually. And we are committed to, and we are even excited to keep making the people proud. And we are happy that people actually got happy after our workshops. Now we came to one of the most important part of the agentic AI. And agentic AI started to be very crucial in our life. And maybe you might hear about this concept in somewhere, but I'm strongly confident personally that agentic AI is gonna change the world. And you might hear that some people say that, hey, AI will replace this job or AI will replace this business. And when people talk about the AI, that's the AI they are talking about. So here, right now, most of the organizations are heavily investing to adopt AI agents. It is in data engineering field, it's also in marketing, digital marketing, procurement, CRM, and everywhere AI agents start to be more and more important, and even it will be more important in the future. And it will be significantly important part of our life. But then the question raises, okay, what is it? An AI agent is basically the algorithm of using artificial intelligence to automate repetitive tasks, to make smart decisions, to optimize workflows without human interaction. And that's the key part of it. Without human, you have an agentic system that handles everything and decides everything on behalf of you, without behalf of anybody. That's what the AI agent is. But if we would put this under 4 keywords, I assume some of you are using the ChatGPT, and how the function works in ChatGPT, that when you provide the prompt, it basically reads your prompt and then analyzes the data about how to respond to you and then generates the response to you. That's the 3 critical key parts of the AI chatbot like ChatGPT. But then if we would add connects to it, the word of connection, and then that's what it makes the AI agents. So basically imagine you have a ChatGPT that has arms and legs, so can do things for you. That's what the AI agents is. And that's the, like, many people are scared for like losing jobs, or many people are exciting about expanding their business without hiring anybody. When they say, oh, AI will change this, that's the AI they're talking about. That's what it is. So basically, if we would summarize, it is basically about AI agent. What that is, it's basically autonomous AI algorithm that can decide, take actions, and solve problems without human interaction. And here in this slide, you will see some terms. There is prompt engineering, MCP server, RAG, ACT framework, LLM. Please, I'm not going to talk about these things. I just want to show these terms to you, and please take the screenshot and just dig it in. And if you wouldn't like to be like more technical, then you can go and investigate more prompt engineering, action chains, and multi-step planning, and ACT framework. No, if you are more technical, if you are more keen for a technical area of the AI, then you can go ahead with fine-tuning, LLM, MCP server, and RAG. You can just Google it for yourself. In this webinar, as we have a limited time, and I don't want to spend more time to talk about each of these terms, I just wanted to show to you, and I think it's better that you can just take the screenshot and put them in ChatGPT and get your response. That's the image from our previous workshop, Pia, AI assistant. And what Pia was doing basically, we just created this AI assistant and named her Pia in Slack that automatically notified us about the incoming emails and answers, and also answers our questions about the registration stored in our Google Sheet. So imagine you have a autonomous and independent human-like AI agent inside of your chatbot, Slack or Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever, checks your documents and responds to you. There is this technology, but imagine you can build it without not being the AI expert. That's the most exciting part of it. That's why, by the way, we're going to have the our workshop, hands-on workshop about AI email agent in Gothenburg on 13 September, where we will step by step from zero build this AI agent for you together. And if you are curious about it, please sign up on our website, GenAition.io, and then join us on Gothenburg in person in Scandic Hotel. And here you also see some technical background behind, right? That perception, first you provide inputs, you have to decide what you want to do, and you have to choose the environment, platform that you want to build these agents in. And then agent decides actions itself, and then you have to also decide the brain. For example, technically, what does it mean? There are too many types of brains. Basically, there is Outlook or like Microsoft owned Copilot. There is OpenAI owned GPT, Gemini owned by Google, and there's also DeepSeek. And these are the type of LLM engines you choose, but here we call it like a brain. Step by step, I will show you in the next demo, in the next slides. Here you also see some tools that we have to use. If you want to be like a no-code person, please go and investigate Zapier and Make and BootPress. It is very easy to use. You can really learn it by yourself. Now, if you want to be a little bit more, if you want to go ahead with a little bit customizable tool, then NAN is great. Manus is a little bit more complex, but native code like tools are Cursor and VC Code Studio. On the right hand side, if you see from no code to native code, actually complexity of tools are changing. But in Gothenburg on 13 September, we will use NAN as a tool because it's actually much more interesting and much more customizable, and it's also a little bit in the middle. And then there you can decide if you want to be more technical or more business savvy. Let's go. I'm going to show you a little examples, or a few examples. I'm going to my NAN account. And if you see, I'm going to my AI email agent workflow. If you haven't seen any workflow before, this might look a little bit more technical, but if you have seen, then it is even better. So if you see right now, I'm activating this workflow because I will test it for you. That's why I'm activating it. So here, what this workflow does, I will give you a quick high-level understanding what it is. This workflow checks my Google Sheet, like the list of people that signed up for my workshop. Then this list is being taken by AI agent to his brain, basically, and here in the brain, this part of the workflow analyzes this data, because here I gave to this brain like the instructions. And here, Open Router Chat Model, that's the GPT-4o LLM engine, which is owned by OpenAI. It is literally the model and brain of this AI agent. And then here is the memory, and here decision making is happening. Once the AI agent decides the next step, it pushes the data to this data transformation phase from here to Gmail, and then from Gmail to Google Sheet. What does it mean? It sends email to people and also updates the Google Sheet. Right now, it might look a little bit complex, but believe me, it is really not complex. And you, as a beginner level person that has never seen anything as such, can build this. And that's what we're going to do on 13 September at Gothenburg. And if you are interested, please sign up. But here, I'm going to test one thing. I'm going to write my corporate email address here. I'm writing like apple, my favorite fruit. And I'm writing here my email address. Yeah, that's it. Now it will take maximum 2 minutes for me to receive email about confirmation that thanks for signing up for the workshop. This is the previous testing that I have done before this webinar. But now time is 16:04. Okay, I received my email. I'm going to the email. He says, "Hi Javed, thank you so much for registration. We truly appreciate your support and enthusiasm. I'm also excited to let you know that we will be preparing a delicious dessert with apple. It's going to be a treat. Looking forward to seeing you." And it also comes from my personal Gmail account to my corporate Gmail account. But I can also change this account actually. I can choose whatever account I want. Maybe it can be Outlook as well. Now I'm coming back to the Excel. I'm updating it. So that's the email agent. And here we can basically, like I just activated this AI email agent. But the thing is that this will forever run like that. For example, if I can add the next rows, this workflow will send the email and update the Excel. Imagine you have your own AI email agent and it does all this work for you. So that's the one example. Now, as I showed it, I'm just deactivating it. Now I'm going to another example. Here, I will talk to you about Telegram agent. This one is a little bit complex, but before going to that one, I'm gonna show you our Telegram agent for a workshop. I'm activating the agent and I'm going to Telegram. I'm saying hi. And I'm writing, "Can you please tell how many people signed up for our event?" Currently there are 51 people. Okay. Can you tell who signed up today? Okay. How are you? It is basically the chatbot that I set it up for myself, that I can ask my questions and answer to, so that AI agent can answer to my questions. And you can also like learn how to build it yourself. And the most important part here is, and I hope it gave an idea. So most important part here is you don't need to be AI engineer in order to build that, and you can build it yourself. So that's what we are doing, and I'm gonna also show you. So hope it gave some idea. So I'm basically loading my Google Sheet information here in this agent, and then when I ask question in Telegram, this agent goes and checks all my documents and responds to me there. And this is my little assistant. Now I'm going to another example. Complex one, Telegram agent. This one is a little bit complex, but I'm going to turn it on. And I also want to let you know that this is MVP. We haven't completed the setup yet because we have to complete the customer account, Google Calendar access thing, and plus also in payment. That's why this is still in progress. But I'm going to now check another workflow. I'm writing hi. When I write hi, it gives me the response. Hello. I'd be happy to help you with your booking. May I ask which barber you prefer, Javid, Amir, or Sarah? Please let us know. This workflow that we are building right now, we are building it for barbershop, basically, so that there can be assistant that can handle all this booking without human. I'm pressing Javid as a barber, and then workflow gives me the name, like all available time of Javid for tomorrow. And then when I choose any of this time, it will go book and do the payment or ask me to do a payment, and then it will complete the process. Right now, next steps are still in progress. We haven't started it yet. So that's one of the complex examples I wanted to show you. I'm just deactivating the workflow. Great. So I think that's it as of today. And I also wanted to show you one example from another tool that we built long time ago, the same email agent in Zapier. Zapier is another tool, but Zapier is more like the end user friendly. It's not that much technical. Email agent, again, when somebody signs up, it ends up in this AI by Zapier. Then AI by Zapier analyzes data, sends email, and update my Google Sheet. This is more end user friendly, very easy to learn. And if you're curious to learn it, please go ahead and do it. There is also free trial you can also do. For Q&A sessions, please, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And right now, we also have discount for participants of this webinar and also members of SSANA. And please let us know if you are interested. We will also make a special discount for you if you want to join us on Gothenburg in person on 13 September. And if you want to build your first AI agent with us. And you will just basically need to bring your laptop, and there we will build the AI agent, AI email agent from zero, step by step, and also test it together. It will be approximately 3 hours of workshop. And there you will basically connect your Gmail by yourself. You will do all thing you, and we'll just show you how to do it. And then you will connect your Gmail account, Google Sheet, and we will have a test data there. You will send this email agent will handle all this step for you to send email, update your document, and then you will basically see how to build this AI agent by yourself. And also in future, you can even also feel free to adjust it. That is it for today. And I want to give my sincere thanks to all of you who participated. And please feel free to reach out and have a great weekend ahead. Thank you very much.